Hey guys, Gary from DIY Electronics. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to unravel the mystery of the Check 103 that is showing up on your keypad. Now what the Check 103 is it has nothing to do with your phone line, okay? Because a lot of times you're going to Google this and it's going to say it's a communication problem. It's not because of your phone line, it's because of your cellular communicator that is tied into your alarm system. Most generally, when you have a 103 check on your alarm system, be it it could be an Ademco Quick Connect, it could be the Safewatch 3000, so on and so forth. What happens is wherever your alarm panel was, what tower it was communicating on, it could be down for maintenance. It could have been down for a storm or anything like that, of course, maintenance. Or they have upgraded their equipment to a level of communicator that your alarm panel cannot communicate to anymore. Meaning that, say that they had 3G on the tower, they've got rid of 3G and they've upgraded to 4G. Okay, they sunsetted the 3G. They actually have to sunset when they do these different levels, and they have to put the information out to their customers saying, hey, you got to upgrade your equipment because we're going to sunset 3G and we're moving to 4G. And then as soon as they get out of 4G, they're going to send out more information saying, hey, we're sunsetting 4G. It's going to go away at this date and we're going to move all the way up to 5G. So that means every time they sunset a 3G, 4G, 5G, you have to replace your communicator and your alarm system every single time. That costs money. But anyways, when you do get the Check 103, you can punch in your code and off once, but 15 minutes later, it's going to start beeping again. It's going to come right back and say Check 103. Now it says Check 103 on the custom English keypad, but on the dumb ADT keypad, all it says is BF for backup failure. All right, so now I'm going to give you two scenarios are basically going to work the same. I'm going to show you how to permanently turn off the cellular communicator in your alarm panel, or I can just show you how to turn it off. It's basically the same thing. You can turn it off temporarily until your alarm company comes out and replaces the cellular. So both of them are exactly the same, but one is just temporary if you're tied into an alarm company, and one's going to be permanent. So you don't have to deal with that 103 problem anymore. So what I'm going to do, I got a little template, just like I usually do, because you're also going to see on the internet, YouTube or whatnot, that on the dumb keypad, you cannot shut it off. But yes, you can, and I'm going to show you how. All right? But I'm going to show you how to do it on the custom English keypad first, and then we're going to move down and I'm going to show you how to do it on the dumb keypad. All right, I got to put my glasses on so I can even see the paper. So you guys get a piece of paper out and write this down. It's very short, very, very short. So, how to turn off long-range radio. You punch in your installer code, 800. Hit star 29, then hit 0, and then hit star, and then hit star 99. Now, when I say installer code, that is not your user code that you turn the alarm on and off. That's the installer code. And if you don't know what your installer code is, I have other videos explaining how you can get the installer code out of the panel so you know what it is. All right, so now let's do the... So right now it's saying, hang on, Check 103 long range radio. Okay, so now let's get rid of that. So I'm going to follow along with what I wrote out here. So installer code 4112800. Then it says hit star 29. Then it says hit 0, and then hit star, and then star 99. All right. So now let's wait a second and make sure that the long range radio trouble is gone. Okay, it is gone. So now down on this keypad, all right, it's not going to show up BF now because I've already reset it on this other panel. So what I'm going to do, folks, is I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to trip an alarm so that this will come up with a BF so I can properly show you what it looks like. So stand by, I'll be right back. Alright guys, what I had to do is I had to go back in, turn the long range radio back on. I had to trip an alarm so that it would go back into failure so I can show you down here on the dumb keypad what it says when it goes into this type of failure. Right there, BF, that's backup failure. Now, if it was your phone line failure, that would say CF. All right, that would say CF for communication failure. But this is BF, that's the backup for the cellular. Okay, so again, following this same template, okay, installer code 800 star 29 0 star 99. That's exactly how you do it on the dumb keypad. All right, so we got the BF. So I'm going to follow along with my template over here, and we'll get rid of that BF. So installer code 4112-800. Again, your installer code may not be 4112, but like mine, it could be something else. So now it says hit star 29. Then it says hit 0, and then 9, and then star 99. Okay, so now let's just wait and see if that BF comes back. And up here, the check 103 is gone. All right, and that's how you do it, guys. So that is for you that have no what is that word I'm looking for? No ambitions to replace the cellular on this. That's a permanent fix for you. For you that are going to call your alarm company and say, hey, I got to check 103, that's just a temporary fix so that you can get some sleep at night other than this thing beeping all the time. All right. Now the other thing is do you guys have any interest? This is an upcoming video. This is an Ademco Lynx, which is also rebranded as a ADT Quick Connect. All right, I'm going to be doing a series about this Ademco Lynx and ADT. Most likely, I'm going to call it ADT Quick Connect, but it's the same panel. ADT has hundreds of these. Well, not hundreds. I would say throughout the United States, probably 50,000-60,000 of these in homes. And I'm going to start a series of all kinds of stuff. How to, arm it, disarm it, change your codes, all this long-range radio stuff, how to add contacts, delete contacts, anything that you want. Put it down below, guys, and it'll be in that video. All right. Any questions, comments about getting rid of a 103 long-range radio trouble? Again, the reason that you're getting it is most likely your local tower around you has upgraded and your alarm panel can no longer communicate with that type of topology, let's call it, and you need an upgrade. Or you can just permanently get rid of it. Thanks for watching, guys. So thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, and there's a lot more to come on this channel, so stay tuned. And again, if you want to know anything about basically any alarm panel out there, drop me a line down below and I can find out for you. All right? Thanks for watching, guys.